Charter operation in St Lucia. Oops, almost turned him sideways there. Walter, still stuck on the sandbank, and there's an ugly one facing him. Yo, Francois, you've got a bad set. Bloody hell. Oh my goodness gracious me. Great balls of fire. What the fuck. Francois handled it well, but there's another big one that he has to negotiate. He's going to face it. That's going to be a huge splash over. Yo. Okay, Francois, you've done that. What's next? You got all the whole cleaner set right here on the shore break.
This channel's content is protected by copyright and is not authorized for AI training and data harvesting.
Being pushed. 22-foot Yeld Cat with 4-stroke Suzuki on the back. And he's on the run immediately as he's off the pole. Yes, that's professional. We can't fault that any. Guys are getting professional here at St Lucia boat launching. Well done, happy hunting, enjoy the day, fill those hatches with great catches. Vrou, 17-foot Yeld Cat, 270s on the back. Yeah boy, yes. Eating a little bit of sand, he tripped down too quickly. But he's off the sand, and he's making a run with it. Some ugly break here in the gully. Standing up on his shoulder, he's going to make a U-turn for us. Then he has to run into it. Another one closing up in front of him. But he's gonna make it. Nope. Maybe over there, yes. Happy hunting, enjoy the day, fill those hatches with great catches. Local boat normally launching at Vidal, but Vidal gate is now being closed. It was supposed to be for one day, but it seems it's now indefinitely. Suicide seats, not the right place to be for today. It's on the run. These 60s is pushing hard. Let's see how they handle the suicide seat today. The skipper has got throttle control. All about throttle control. Well, there's some generations worth of fucking experience on that boat, so what the hell. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Pull the hatches with great catches. With Yeld Cat rebuilt with two 104-stroke Suzukis on the back. Also a local boat, just used to launch at Cape Vidal, but Vidal gates are now closed. It looks like it's indefinitely. Beautiful launch, Anthony. Happy hunting, enjoy the day, fill those hatches with great catches. Charter operation in St Lucia. Oops, almost turned him sideways there. Walter. 830 carry cat, 204-stroke Suzuki's on the back. Still stuck on the sandbank, and there's an ugly one facing him. Yo, Francois, you've got a bad seat. Bloody hell. Oh my goodness gracious me. Great balls of fire. What the fuck. Francois handled it well, but there's another big one that he has to negotiate. He's going to face it. That's going to be a huge splash over. Okay, Francois, you've done that. What's next? You got all the whole cleaner set right here on the shore brake. Looks like if you've got an open line, boaters is trimmed down. Beautifully done, young man, beautifully done. Happy hunting, enjoy the day, fill those hatches with great catches. For Toshi Slosh 750 Rapid Cat with two 154 stroke Suzukis on the back. Wiseman got him into a nice set here. It might not be too difficult if he can just handle that one. Yep, it's a nice big boat, it can handle it. And now he's got the open ocean. All he has to do is open the throttles. Well done, Wiseman and Toshi Slosh. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Fill those hatches with great catches and send us some pictures. Briefing. Telling people how the life jackets work, where to sit on the furthest boat, changing the people around so the feet can reach the ground. Gravity is your friend, but don't stand up in the mid-launch. The boat is much harder and heavier than you are. Your skippers, they know what to do. They've done this for many thousands of hours. Don't distrust them. 26, Advanced Charter 1, 9-meter bend cat with two V6s on the back. 250 horsepower each, Suzuki's. Sean Mansfield keeping the motors trimmed up so that he can push away off the lip. Playing with the throttles. Ensure the boat doesn't get time to cavitate. Finding his gap to the south. It's only very experienced skippers that can try and do that. Beautiful launch on. Happy whale watching, enjoy the trip, fill those hatches with great catches. No. Happy whale watching, enjoy the trip, fill those camera spools with great pictures. Your whale watching boat has got permit holder on the side. And it's got a W number. See that W number? Then you're on a legal whale watching boat. 8.3 meter butt cat with two 204 stroke 4-cylinder Suzukis on the back. Mandla is the launch master. Going to use the motor trim die to push off the bank like the other skippers. He's looking for traction, trimming down a little bit at a time. No, he had enough force to push it through. He has to crank the steering wheel to get away from that one right in the gully. And he's made it. He's into the flat that's going to lead him right the highway into open ocean. Happy whale watching, enjoy the trip, fill those camera sticks with great pictures.